Term sheets are non-binding documents which are entered into to summarize the key and salient terms of a transaction prior to parties moving on to drafting the main transaction documents. By way of background, there are two versions of the VIMA term sheets: the long-form term sheets and the short-form term sheet. The reason for having two is they have differences between them. The long-form term sheet, as its name suggests, is longer and more detailed. The long-form term sheet is suitable or more preferred in a situation where parties would like to discuss and agree the salient terms of the transaction upfront, so that there will be fewer points for discussion when drafting the key transaction documents. On the other hand, the short-form term sheet will be preferred in a situation where parties prefer to close off negotiations on the term sheet quickly and defer discussing other key transaction terms when drafting the key transaction documents. Moving on to the key terms of the term sheet, the three that I would like to speak about today are A. Liquidation preference terms, B. Down-round protection terms, and C. Conversion terms. Liquidation preference terms. The VIMA term sheet provides for 1 time of the initial subscription price, and there is an option for parties to choose between a participating and non-participating return thereafter. Moving on to down-round protection provisions, or what is more commonly known as anti-dilution provisions. The VIMA term sheet provides for the broad-based weighted average provision to be applied. This is the most company-friendly variant of such a provision. There are other forms of this provision, for example, the narrow-based weighted average provision or a full rated provision. Please note though that those two versions are more investor-friendly. Lastly, moving on to conversion rights, the VIMA term sheet provides for 2 situations of conversion: optional conversion at the option of the holder, and B. Automatic conversion. Automatic conversion is triggered in the event of a qualifying IPO or if a certain percentage of the Series A shareholders agree.